Okay, here we go. It's September.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, we're just trying. This is the beginning of our, I guess, YouTube channel eventually. We are starting the process of getting to the RV, and the first thing is the sale of the boat, which in about a half an hour the guy's going to come and buy it.
Oh boy, they haven't.
I'm gonna miss it, but it is been great. It's 2002 Monterey, 28-foot twin cruiser, and there she goes. Beautiful boat, and it's in our backyard, so you really can't complain. Although the water is getting very low here, and right across that little bay there is Dune Road, which is pretty famous. And there's the McMansion they just built, which is obscured and caught by trees. Crazy. Actually, that's our place. The McMansion is hidden behind there. This is what is going to go next. And there we have Bentley and Lynn. And where's Jake? Oh, Jake be eating some grass. Yes. You're not supposed to do that, Jake. I know. But I'm doing it anyway. So it's our backyard, across the canal, some other people. Yes, very pretty, but we're going to go from the marine to the nature. Woods, mountains. Spent my whole life in the water, but now we're going to change things up. And we had to take our flag down because of a storm. And here's the pool. Been here for 21 years. It's time to go. Yes, very nice. Really enjoyed it. But it's time to downsize. And
you want me to take you?
Take the freedom. Yeah, you could take one of me. Hello.
So this is Lynn. Okay. Here's Daniel.
And
here he is.
The two bees above your head.
Oh, well that's okay. We like bumbles.
Oh, they might have a nest in there, babe. I'd move away from that.
I'm worried about the
No.
bumbles.
That's where they're coming from. Like, remember I was saying that? Here, check this out.
Mr. Fearless.
Yeah. Well, now of course they'll stop, but you can.
They're eating their
They
berries.
do that once in a while, especially since we've let things kind of grow out, because it's silly to pay thousands of dollars to have your little bushes trimmed every year.
You're not keeping up with the Joneses anymore.
Nope. And it's actually so much nicer not doing so. Well, except for the bees, although they need a place too. And Bentley. Hello, Mrs. Bentley. Oh, yes. Here I am. Bentley, come. Bentley, come on. Good girl. Yes. All right. To be continued, ladies and gentlemen. This will be, I guess, the beginning of the process. Until later.